Our planet is a masterpiece, from the towering trees to the deep ocean and air we breathe. But its danger.
Every day, we say the effective of climate change, pollution and destruction.
Our forests are disappearing, our oceans are choking on waste.
But it doesn't have to be this way. Every action counts, from small change in our daily lives to large-scale effort to protect our environment. We can shift to cleaner energy. We can reduce waste. We can protect our forests. We can create a future where both people and nature thrive. It's not too late to turn things around. We can still protect what we love if we act now. Earth is speaking. Will you listen?